How to create KakaoTalk account. Go ahead and open any browser. And at the search bar, go ahead and type KakaoTalk login. So you can download the app itself by going to your Play Store, or you can go through this browser. So just tap on that. So you can see there's the login button, and at the very left corner in the small writing, you can see the sign up option. So click on sign up. So go ahead and click on I have an email account. If not, make an email account first and then start this process. So you do need to agree to all terms. So go ahead and press this button right here and then press agree. So you need to enter your email address. So click on verify. And then you'll receive a verification code in your email. So go ahead and open your email. So if you don't see the email, refresh it once and then you'll see it. So you can just copy the verification code by long pressing on it and selecting copy, and enter your verification code that you have just received in your mail, and then press next. So go ahead and set your password and then re-enter it. Go ahead and click on next right here. So you can enter your nickname of what you want your account profile name to be. Go ahead and select your birthday by just tapping on this arrow button and scrolling until you find your birth year. And you can do the same for the month and day. And select your gender. And then once you do all that, you'll be able to press this confirm button right here. And your account will be created successfully. So that is how to create a KakaoTalk account.